Hi, I'm David Connolly, Product Marketing Manager here at Taoglas, and today I'm going to introduce two new, unique, powerful, embedded active GNSS patches, the Simplicity ASGGB series. So these patent-pending single-band surface mount patches cover GPS, GLONASS, BeiDou and Galileo frequencies, and they're designed as a compact solution for applications requiring an active patch, such as OBD devices or asset trackers, and they're available in 18 and 25mm versions. There's no need for you to deal with integrating the front-end components such as LNAs or SAW filters on your board, as all of the active circuitry is actually contained within the patch. In turn, there's no need for cables or connectors, so you can save on assembly costs, as these patches are soldered on via SMD normal reflow solder profiles. We've designed these patches to help speed up your product development cycles, and by integrating the circuitry into the product, we can help you reduce your PCB size. To find out more information, visit taoglas.com, contact your local Taoglas customer support team, or visit our channel partners.